Throughout the year, we talk with the teams and we stay in touch, and we provide tours and stuff, and we get amazing feedback from the kids. Last year's winning team, we had some students said, you know, I just kind of did this out of curiosity, and now I want to be an aerospace engineer. And I don't know if we've mentioned it, but in the aerospace industry, we're facing a very, very crucial shortage of trained aerospace personnel. Within the next decade, we will not have enough people with the proper skills to fill the jobs today. So this competition, programs like this, is of vital importance to the industry and to the country. And to see these kids go, well, I wasn't really sure, didn't know what I want to do, and now I want to follow it, I think it's playing a valuable role in meeting that mission goal. I mean, the Real World Design Challenge, we focus on engineering, but within the aerospace community, on a daily basis, we run into people saying, well, I don't want to be a pilot, I don't want to be a controller, so there's nothing there. Anything that you are interested in, there is a home in the aerospace community. Environmental sciences, engineering, city planning, legal, medical. If you can think of a career, there's an office in the aerospace community. And as I said, especially in the engineering fields and the maintenance side, they're retiring now faster than we can replace them. And I've had industry come to me on the phone and say, we need 2,000 people today. What can you do? And I said, nothing. And so we've got to spool up, we've got to gear up to make sure that these programs are in school. And another valuable benefit, you know, if we introduce kids to these careers and they get excited and they stay in school, even if they don't necessarily pursue an aerospace career, they're going to stay in school and they're going to have a lot more opportunities. So, you know, that's another valuable thing that we see with all these programs that we do.
So where do you see the Real World Design Challenge going in terms of the future?
Well, you know, the program's been around a very, very short time, and it has already moved, you know, to the point where it's been recognized by the White House and the Chief Science Advisor for the White House. So in a very short time, it's really gotten a lot of visibility. The FAA is a proud sponsor of the program. I'm very excited about it. We see the value of it. And each year it seems that the program grows a lot more. We get more partners involved, more industry involved, more agencies involved. So I can see, you know, in another 5-10 years that this will be the premier engineering program. And, you know, part of the reason for that, it's the only national competition that is geographically blind. It's free to schools. They get over $1 million in state-of-the-art software. We have a complete mentoring program with engineers from across the industry and the federal agencies, incredible support mechanisms for the teachers, videos, training, and everything. There is no other national program that does all these things. So I can't imagine in 5-10 years, as I said, that it's not the premier program. A lot of times in schools, we don't understand why we're learning what we're learning, and so sometimes we tune out. This challenge, they take all the abstract concepts that they're learning in math and science, and they're applying it to a real-world application. On the other end of the process, they're creating a product, even if it's virtually. So this program takes kids and teaches them the value of what they're learning in the classroom and allows them to apply it. And I think whenever you do that, you're going to have a better product. The kids understand, and they learn more that way. So we hope that we can get this program into, you know, every school in the United States at some point, and everyone participates, and I think it'll have a huge impact in education and also in the industry. And we're looking forward to that.